part of basics which are required for the Django, the Python basics. In the last session we covered data structures, very important terminology. Data structures concept we covered, sir. List, next tuple, next set, and then dict concept we covered. These things already you people aware, sir. Now there are very important common terminology. Let me talk about these things in detail. Yes, what that very important terminology which is required for the Django, sir? Yes, sir, these words. Okay, what is function? What is the function? Next, and after that, what the module, and then what is the package? Okay, these things must be, these three must be required for you people, right? Okay, so like what is your function? What your function? What is the need of functions like this one, sir? Because in the Django, everything we require to implement as a function. Okay, Django view function. Next, like we have some concept is there, sir. Function, module, package. Like what is the function? Sir, just if you observe the terminology, if you observe the terminology, just the best example. Suppose I want to write a Python program. Now just observe that I want to write a small Python program. I want to write, sir. My requirement is 1 minute, please. Yeah, my requirement is, assume that I have two numbers are there. 10 and 20. Sir, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20 is there, sir. I want to print the sum. Regarding, I want to print the sum is A plus B. Regarding the sum is A plus B. Next, I want to print the difference. The difference A minus B. The difference A minus B. Next, I want to print the product A into B. Regarding the product A into B. Okay, like the division like this, right? The quotient or something like a division result A by B. Like this is about my requirement, right? Yes, perfect. Is this code is going to work or not? Can you please tell? Is this code, is it going to work or not? Yes, perfectly it's going to work. If I run this code, then definitely it's going to work, sir. Okay, now have a look once a bit carefully here. Just let me go for this. Let me run this code py test.py. Perfectly it's going to work, sir. Don't keep any doubt at all. The sum 30, the difference minus 10, the product 200, under the division is nothing but 0.5. Perfectly it's going to work. Suppose my requirement is the same operations I want to do for x is equal to, x is equal to, or A, for the next set of operations I want to do, A is equal to 100, B is equal to 200, like this, right? Again, we have to define same code again. Regarding same code again. Sir, observe that first time the result, second time the results, like this, right? Sir, if I want to do for next set of values, A is equal to some 1000, B is equal to some 2000, like this. If I want to do next set of values, again I have to do like this. Regarding, sir, now have you observed, right? Sir, this is unnecessary. Length of the code is going to be increases. Readability by default is going to be down. Because same code we are writing multiple times. Regarding same code we are writing multiple times. That's why which is never be recommended, right? Sir, what we have to do that? In what way we can solve these problems, sir? Very simple, sir. If any code repeatedly required, what we have to take, what we require to take care is, sir, that code don't write multiple times. Are you getting right? Sir, can you please tell how many lines of the code is there currently? Can you please observe that how many lines of the code is there currently? 20 lines of the code is there. If you are saying 20 lines, sir, now this if any code repeatedly required, sir, this code is repeatedly required. don't write this one multiple times. What you have to take, better to define that repeatedly required code inside a function. Def just cal c, like this I'm passing. Now a comma b, just these are the arguments, right? So now what we have to take here is, sir, a here like this I'm taking, sir. Now that's all. So this is, I'm making these lines inside a function. This is called a function, sir. So function contain a group of repeatedly required statements. Now wherever these statements are required, happily we can call that function. Automatically this one is going to execute, sir. We are not required to write the same code multiple times, sir. What I want to take, sir, cal c 10, 20. Okay, cal c 10, 20. Cal c 10, 20. Definitely that function by default is going to work. Have you observed, right? Sir, same thing I want for 100, 200, sir. The same thing I want for 100, 200. Have you observed, right? 100, 200. For that also results is coming. Sir, the same I want for 1000, 2000 also. Yes, no problem. Just call that function. Can you please tell now how many lines of the code is there? Can you please tell how many lines of the code is there? Only? Hey, respond, man. How many lines of the code is there? Only 9 lines of the code. That's all. That is the biggest advantage what you people are going to get, sir. So what is function? Function is repeatedly required code we are making as a group, and we can call that any number of times, sir. Function is nothing but a group of statements. Which type of statements you can take inside a function? Repeatedly required code we can able to define. Sir, what is the biggest advantage of function? Can you please tell how many times I'm writing this function? Why respond? How many times I'm writing this function? Can you spell out how many times I'm writing this function? Please confirm. Only one, sir. How many times I'm writing this function? Only one, sir. But how many times I'm calling this function? Any number of times. Are you getting? Any number of times you can call this function. The biggest advantage of functions concept is code reusability. Right? Once, call any number of times, use any number of times is the biggest advantage of functions concept. Clear? Not required to keep much explanation about this terminology, right? Can you please confirm? Everyone can able to understand what is the function? Because in the Python, in the Django, once if you want to run hello world application also, compulsory you people should require. So there we may use the word okay, maybe the terminology cal c view, this is the name of the function, something like that. If you observe any project, sir, any project, if you observe that any project, sir, here just I'm taking some cookie project. Assume that cookie project, right? Sir, in that, can you please observe views.py? Can you please have a look once, sir? Views.py. If you observe that, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Let me remove all these nonsense. I don't want. Yeah. Here just have a look once, sir. Views. Can you please tell what is this one? Can you please tell what is this one? Is it a function or not? Yes, itself is a function. What is this function? Itself is a function. Itself is a function. Like this, right? This type of thing is nothing but a function. Remember. Any doubt? That's it. Just one more small thing I want to explain. If you want, you can call a function. That function can return some value also, right? Okay. Some function can return some value. Okay. Return. Suppose assume just I'm taking F1. Return. Okay. Return some 10. Return some 10. Like this. That's all. So here now print of F1. Print of F1. Happily this F1 is going to return some value. That the return value I'm trying to print, sir. So a function can able to return. No problem at all. So clear for you people what is a function. Okay, well, next terminology what I require to talk, sir. Module concept. What is the module? Sir, very simple. Module is, sir, any here a group of functions, variables and the classes saved to a file. Just observe, a group of functions, variables and the classes saved to a file. That file itself is considered as module. Remember this one. Best example for you. Here I am taking. Here I want to write one small thing, sir. Here just let me. I want to write some small NMT file or otherwise a Python file. Let me open, sir. Here I'm trying to take. Just I'm taking x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20. Listen very carefully, sir. X is equal to 10, y is equal to 20. Next, def f1 function. Okay, print def f1 function. Print sir, def f1 function. Print sir, f1 function. Like this I'm taking, sir. Next, def f2 function. Regarding def f2 function. Now print f2 function. Like this I'm taking, sir. Next, sir, don't worry, even classes also you can take. Don't worry much about this class. I will discuss in detail next. Don't worry, sir. So now take a bit very special care. It is a Python file. In this program, can you please tell how many variables are there? How many variables I declared? 2 variables x and y. Next time after that, how many functions I defined? 2 functions I defined. Sir, one class I defined. Right? All these things saved to a file. Okay, saved to a file. Assume that sir, what is my file name is, okay, assume that sir, use .py. Like this I'm using this word. Assume, sir, what is the module name? Can you please tell what is the module name? I mean, what is the name of this file? You are thinking that much, man. Can you please tell what is the name of this file? User.py. Now, sir, a group of variables, functions, classes saved to a file. That file itself is by default considered as module. Now the terminology is very clear. What is a module? Don't think too much. Module is a Python program. Module is a Python file which contains several functions, which contain classes, which contain variables. That thing is by default considered as module itself is like this, right? Now my requirement is take very special care, sir. Take a bit very special care. I want to use this module. Somewhere else. No problem. Happily you can use. Yes, how you can able to use this one, sir? Very simple, sir. These lines must be very important for you people, right? Sir, from here I want to print x value. I want to call f1. Now observe carefully. So currently I am in the test.py, but this x and f1, these things are defined inside user.py. Regarding x and f1, these things are defined inside user.py, but currently I am inside the test.py file. Okay. Now the terminology wise, take a bit very special care how you can able to grab this data, right? So if you want to use members of other module, what I have to take, sir? Import must be required. Sir, import. What is the module name? Import. Respond. What is the module name? Views.py. Import views. Regarding import views, if you are importing like this, now how you can able to access views.x, views.f1 we can able to take. Are you getting right? So import views.x, views.f1. So by using module name, we are ready to call. Now let me execute this code. Py test.py. Can you please observe? Sir, x value is the 10, f1 function. Now in this example, we have one module is there. What is module? Next, how you can call the members of a module inside another program or inside another module. Okay, like this. Sir, can you please tell 2 modules are available? What is first module here? Views.py. Regarding what the first modules are? Views.py. Now I have second module is there. What is the second module, sir? Test.py. Regarding, so here x is there, here f1 is there, like this. How I can able to access this X and F1? At the beginning, import statement must be required, and after that, by using module name, you can able to access all the members of that particular module. Clear, friends? Any doubt? Any explanation is required? Okay, well, now I have one small important point, sir. Okay, another small important point. There is a problem is there in this approach. What the problem is? If you want to access any member, it may be a variable, it may be a method, it may be a function, it may be a class, any member, compulsory we require to use module name. Correct or not? Compulsory we require to use module name. Views.x, views.f1, views. Like everywhere, module name must be required. I don't want to use module name. I don't want to use module name. Directly, I want to access. Directly, I want to access. Can you please guide that? Is it possible or not? I want to access directly. Members of other module. Members of other module. Directly, I want to access. Is it possible or not? Yes. What is the way, sir? Please guide. I want to listen the answer from you people. Regarding, I want to access directly print of x f1. I don't want to use views.x, views.py, views.f1. I want to use directly x. Can you please confirm what the answer we have to take? Ah, good. Tarimani people, Lavanya, Suri Prakash. Can you please confirm? Yeah, create object. For which one we require to create object? If it is a class, we have to create an object. It's not a class. For the modules, object creation is not possible. Okay, what we have to take is, sir, instead of this import, I don't want to use this import. There's a bigger problem is there with this import. What I have to take? From views, import f1 comma x. Regarding import x comma f1, any order, no problem. X comma f1 means from views module. Can you please import x value? Can you please import f1 value? Can you please import x value? Can you please import f1 value? F1 value. Okay. Now this thing itself is nothing but, okay. Now you can able to access directly. Regarding this is something like explicitly. Hey, can you please make x is available? Can you please make f1 is available like this, right? Okay. Now let me run this code perfectly. Then f1 function is going to come. Sir, instead of like this also, I want all members directly. Can I able to take star? Possible or not? From use import star. From use import star. Yes, no problem at all. Happily, do you know, sir, print of x f1. Like compulsory you people should aware clearly, right? So if any members present inside other module, if you want to access, then either import or from import we require to use sir. Okay, if you go for any Python file, sir, first these are things only. Regarding from Django.shortcuts, import render. Render is a function name, just like our f1. Next from testapp.forms, import login form. Login form is a class name. Testapp.forms, import login form. Like this we are going to take. Friends, are you in the position to understand? Next, similarly, suppose here I have urls.py file is available. Assume that, sir, urls.py file is available. Can you please have any ones? From testya import views. Regarding from testya import views, like anywhere, sir, anywhere. Okay, if you want to access members of other module inside our module, compulsory we require to go for import statement. Okay, two types of imports usually we are going to use, either first one or this is second style. But which one is always recommended? Either first one or second one. Which one is always recommended? Highly recommended we should go for second approach, because if you can use second approach, the biggest advantage what we are going to get here, we are not required to use module name to access that particular member. That's why it is highly recommended compulsory we should go for second approach. Clear, friends? So what is function? What is module? Second word is also clear. Module is nothing but a group of functions, a group of variables, okay, a group of classes saved to a file is by default considered as module. Okay, like that. Now let me go for one more concept, sir. One more concept. What is that concept? Is package. Regarding function, module, and then package. Can you please guess, sir, what is a package? What a package contains? Don't tell Java abbreviations here. The people who are coming from Java background, I don't want to listen Java words here. Can you please tell what is a package? In Python, because Python package is the different, Java package is the different. Good, Vijay. What is the package? Then a group of functions is nothing but module. Then obviously a group of modules is nothing but package. Excellent. A group of modules is nothing but package. Package contains any group of related modules. Any group of related modules is nothing but package. Okay, inside a package, a group of modules are available. Remember that. Remember, a group of modules by default available inside a package. Okay. Now, sir, how to define, how to create a package? Sir, it's very simple. It's very simple, sir. We have to create a folder. Folder package is nothing but a folder, sir. Sorry, package itself is nothing but a folder. It is a folder. It is a folder. In that, this is the first. Sorry. This is the first module. This is the first module, second module, third module, fourth module, fifth module, sixth module, like a group of modules present inside a folder. Okay, this folder is by default considered as a package. Next time after that, each file itself is nothing but module. So module contain package contain a group of modules. Module package contain a group of modules. A module contain a group of functions. We can use the word. So package is the superior word which contain several modules. Module is the next superior word which contain a group of functions. Are you able to understand? So what is a folder? What is a package? Package is a folder, man. That folder contains a group of related modules. Module is nothing but a Python file which contain functions, variables, and classes like that. Okay. Now my requirement is just take a bit very special case, sir. My requirement is I want to inside my Durga classes, Durga classes, I want to create one folder. One folder I want to create, sir. What is the folder I'm taking is what is the folder I want to create a folder, sir. Yes, sir, this folder I'm taking. What is the folder name I'm using? Okay. Test app. Sorry. Test app. This is the folder name I'm taking, sir. What is the folder name I'm taking? Test app is the folder name. Can you please tell, is this a test app? Can I use as a Python package? Please tell. Is it a Python package? I'm taking test app, normal folder, man. mkdir test app. Like this, I created one folder. Please confirm. Is it a Python package? Is it a Python package? Yes, no. I want to listen response from each and every person. Can I use the word? Is it a Python package? Test app. Of course, it doesn't contain anything. Later I will add some modules anyway. As of now, is it a Python package? Remember that. Remember. Any module, any folder acts as a Python package, but one small restriction is there. What is that restriction is? Observe carefully, sir. So compulsory, if we want to consider a folder as a Python package, there is one small rule is there. What is that rule is it should contains A special file. It should contain a special file named with underscore init underscore dot py. Yeah, remember these ones are very dangerous point because you are going to use multiple times this line. Sir, any folder, if you want to consider as a Python package, compulsory it should contain underscore init underscore dot py file. If this file is there, please consider it is a Python package. Of course, this file not required to contain anything. Empty also, empty, no problem. But this file should be there. Then only Python is going to consider it is a Python package. Remember these ones are. But anyway, at our Python level, language level, this restriction removed in the newer versions. So from 3.3 version onwards, this restriction is not there. But in the old versions, this restriction was there, sir. Remember this one. Any folder, if you want to consider as a Python package, compulsory that folder should contain this special file. So this file won't contain anything, but still why you are taking? You may get the doubt, sir. Simple. The corresponding folder should be considered as a Python package. Everyone can able to understand, right? Even if you are working with PyCharm, if you are working with the Atom, like everywhere, sir, compulsory these files will be created. Yes, these files by default will be created. What is the reason for that? What is the reason? Reason for that is what is the reason for that is this then only that folder is by default considered as Python package. Remember this one. Okay. Now what I want to take? Let me take one normal file. Let me save this file. Where I am saving this file is so inside Durga classes test app. Just now I created test app. In the test app, I'm taking this one underscore init underscore dot py. Regarding like dot py, like sir, now this file contain, this folder contain underscore init underscore dot py. Can I use the word? Can you please confirm? Can I use the word? Now, is it a Python package or not? Please respond, man. In any version, is it a Python package or not? Yes, it is a Python package because this one compulsory this contain underscore init underscore dot py. Are what code is there inside? Nothing. Empty file, sir. It is empty file, but still it must be required, sir. Remember that, sir. If you consider there are, have you observed, right? Have you observed this cookie project one contain underscore init dot py? Are you getting? Cookie project one contain underscore because this folder, if you want to consider as a Python package, compulsory this file must be required. Next time after that, here a test app. Inside that, are you seeing underscore init dot py? Yes, because then only it is considered that as a Python file. Please confirm. Everyone in a position to understand. Yes, friends. Okay, that's all. This is a bit very important terminology. You people should aware, right? Okay. Now, okay, excellent. Now I created one package. What is the name of the package? Test app, sir. Inside a test app, I want to take. Just assume that I want to take. So the file name is okay models.py. I'm taking my own file. Any name you can take, sir. Sir, def m1 print off. It is the model 1. Don't worry, model 1 function. Next time after the def m2 print off model 2 function. Model 2 function like this. I'm taking, sir. Model 2 function like that. Sir, I want to save this one as models.py. Where I'm saving this one is models.py inside a tester. Yeah, I'm taking models.py. That's all. So, can you please tell what is the name of this module? Can you please confirm what is the name of this module? Hey, what module I'm using? What is the name of this module? Models.py means models is the name of the module. these models.py present inside which package? Present inside which package? What the name of the package? Good. Test app. Now observe. Test app is the package. That the package contains two modules are available. Unit module means empty module. Second ones are models module. Like you people should be aware. Now this is my current working. I mean this is the D colon Durga classes in the tester. Now what I want to take is in the test.py. From the test.py, I want to access from the test.py. I want to access that M1 and M2. Regarding I want to access that M1 and M2, sir. Sir, where it is available? 1 minute. Please observe carefully about the folder structure. Currently, sir, I am in the D drive. Now observe, it is not, or otherwise, I will do one thing. Let me open the paint, which will become permanent. Sir, now observe. Currently, sir, I am in the here D drive, Durga classes, D drive, okay, Durga classes. Currently, D drive, Durga classes. This is my current working directory. In this directory, test.py is available. Okay, in this directory, there is one subdirectory is there. Test app. In that test app, I have __ init __ next models.py. That's all. So now have you observed, right? So inside if you consider that, okay, like if you consider test.py, next and after that test app, in the test app is the folder name. This folder contain again these two files are available, right? First file and then second file. Yes, sir, directory structure is very clear. Directory structure. Now my requirement is, array, in this models.py, M1 is there, M2 is there. Can you please call this M1 and M2 inside the test.py? This is about my requirement, sir. These type of things are very common, sir. Can you please guide M1 and M2 functions available inside which model? M1 and M2 functions are available inside which module? Which module? Models.py. Correct or not? Model M1 function present inside. M1 function present inside. Which models are? Which module? Models.py. Models.py present in test app package. Yeah. Regarding, sir, this is about my statement, right? Now, sir, here also M2 function, model2 function present inside models.py, which is present inside test app package. Okay, well, now my target is from the test.py, I have to call that M1 and M2. Can you please guide what possibilities are there? Can you please guide what is the possibilities, right? From test app is the package name. From test app is the package name. That models is the module name. Import M1, M2. Yeah. Is it possible or not? Please respond. Is it possible or not? From test app models import M1, M2. Import M1, M2 like this. Now, sir, just call M1, just call M2. Okay, like this. Let me execute this code. Py test.py. Perfect. Model 1 function present inside models.py present in test app package. This is the second function like this. It's going to work. Are you able to understand, right? That's all. So this is what you people should be aware. Next, make sure compulsory we require to use a test app models. Mother because models and the test.py both are not available in the same location. That's why dot is not going to work in this case. Next, there is another shortcut, another way also. You can take directly star. You can take directly star. It is also applicable. From test app, that models, import star, M1 and M2. It is also going to work, sir. It is also going to work. Don't worry. Yes. Sir, suppose I want to take import statement like this. From test app, import models. Can you please tell now how I can call? How I can call M1? How I can call M2? Please observe, you people should familiar with this. Then the Django terminology will become easy. Can you please tell how I can call models now? M1 and M2 functions, how you can able to call? Is it going to work? Is it going to work? Now observe that. Now observe. Not working. Where is M1? Where is M2? Like this, right? Where is M1? Where is M2? Like so. Up to models, you made available. But now models dot M1, models dot M2, models dot M1, models dot M2. Like this, right? That's all. Model 1 function present inside models.py, present in test app package. Model 2 function present inside model, like perfectly it's going to work, sir. So like you people should aware very clearly, right? This type of terminology you should have clarity, sir. Now can you please observe from test app import views? Any doubt? Can you please observe in this line? Are you able to understand? Suppose if I'm using like this somewhere, are you in the position to understand, right? Okay, test app is the package, test app is the package. In that view see the module name, in that view see the module name, views dot sir index view, I'm calling, assume that's views dot index view is index view function present inside views module. That views module present inside test app folder, test app package. Perfect, it's going to work. Regarding next, from test app, dot models, import student. So inside the test app package, models module is available. In that student class is available. S is equal to student. I'm creating an object for that class. I want to create an object for that class. Yes, perfect. It's going to work. Regarding, so from test app models import student, S is equal to student like this. Yes, this is one very commonly we are going to write from test app dot forms import login form. Okay, form is equal to login form is equal to login form like this. From test app dot forms import login form. Okay, form is equal to login form. I'm creating, sir, test app is the folder name, I mean package name. In that forms is module name. That forms contain login form. Now I'm trying to create an object for that. Okay, this is a type of technical terminology you people should be aware. Any doubt, friends? Can you please confirm? Are you in the position to understand? But anyway, here I'm creating object. Java, this is Python style of creating object. Assume these are the classes. Okay, these are type of coding things we are going to use multiple times in our Django. That's why you people should have clear clarity about this import, from import, package, module, member, function, variable, class. Like you should have the clarity about this terminology, right? Okay, that's all. Now the last one more important point I want to tell. Sir, in Python, how to define the class? How you can able to create an object? Very simple, sir. Very simple. Just aware that I want to create. I want to sir call. Assume that I have a class student is there, sir. Class student is there. Okay, that's all. Assume in that you have to define several variables, functions, and so on, right? Okay. So later I will take care. This is just some code we have to take. Okay, sir, this is the way how to define a class. Observe very carefully, sir. This is the way how to define a class. Here variables, functions, like you can able to take anything, sir. If you want to create an object, for this, yes is equal to student, like this we can able to do that. Yes is equal to student. So how to define a class, how you can create an object like this, right? Assume, so this student class contain a method is there, the m1 method. The m1 method print off m1 method, like this I'm taking, sir. Listen very carefully. Sir, inside Python class, every instance method should compulsory one variable named with a self. At least one argument should be there, self. What the meaning of the self is? Self means current object. Can you please spell out what is the self, sir? Self means what? Current object. Self means current object, right? Okay, current object by default considered. Yeah, self. Remember this one. Itself is nothing but current object, right? Okay. Now, sir, let me create an object. Can you please guide how to create an object of student class? Please guide how to create an object for the student class. And then I want to call m1 method. What is the way, sir? Yes is equal to student. I created object s dot m1. S dot m1. Happily, do you know what is the answer? By default, we are going to get m1 method. Regarding m1 method is going to get in the chance. Please make sure you people should be aware how to define a class. Okay, like this, right? Next, sir, within the class, if you want, you can define some variables also. Name is equal to some durgasoft. Name is equal to some durgasoft. Next, and after that, okay, location is equal to sir Hyderabad. Like this I'm taking, sir. Hyderabad. Like I'm taking. Assume that, sir, this it contains two variables are there. S is equal to student. Print of s dot name, s dot location. S dot name, s dot location, like this, right? Sir, what answer by default we are going to get? Durgasoft and then Hyderabad. Like. Any doubt? How to declare methods? How to declare variables? You people should be aware. But anyway, OOPS concept we are going to discuss in the advanced Python. Minimum 1 month. OOPS concept we require. So there we have to talk about what is the instance variable, static variable, instance method, static method, class level method, all those. Just aware a class can contain variable. How you can able to access those variables like this. That's all at very top level information. Like you should aware, sir. Now, sir, next I'm taking one more. So you know in the OOPS concept there is one word is there, sir. Inheritance word. Inheritance. There is one word is there. Inheritance word is there, sir. What is the meaning? What the meaning of inheritance? What it means, sir? Inheritance word is there. What it means? What the meaning of inheritance word? Very simple terminology, sir. What it means is, suppose parent contain some variables, methods, and so on. All those things automatically required for the child. I don't want to rewrite again. Code reusability purpose. We can go for inheritance concept. Code reusability purpose. If the parent contain anything, parent class contain anything, automatically to the child class, all those things by default available. All those things by default available. Such type of thing is called, okay, such type of thing is nothing but inheritance concept. In the child, we are not required to define. Automatically, those things by default available. Okay, whatever parent has by default available to the child. Now, observe in Python how you can able to define parent to child relationship. Okay, that is the very important, sir. Now I'm taking class P. Okay, class P, sir. P. Here x is equal to, or otherwise x. Here class person. I'm taking, sir, person. Every person having the name, assume or otherwise parent to child. Generic, very generic words I'm taking. Class B, x is equal to tensor. Df, m1 of self I'm taking. M1 of self, print or parent method. Parent method, like this I'm taking, sir. That's all. Sir, now take a bit very special care. Parent contain one variable and one method. Now, I want this variable and a method to the child. How to declare the child class? Please confirm. How to declare child class for the parent, for the P class? Can you please tell what is the code I have to write to declare child? Please respond all the people. Lavanya. Lavanya, are you currently attending any Python batch? Yeah, good. Okay, compulsory, you should attend. Yeah. Vijay, are you attending any Python batch? Yeah, Vijay. Vijay, are you attending any Python batch? Yes or no? No, na? If you are not attending any Python batch, compulsory you should attend, mandatory. Okay. So now, how to create child class for P in the Python? In the Python, what is the way? What is the way is what is the way is class here C of P, sir. This is the syntax what you should aware. Extends a keyword, is it applicable? It is applicable for the Java but not in Python. Regarding class C of P, class C of P like this. Now DEF I'm taking, okay, sir, child automatically this variable and this method by default is available to the child, sir. No problem at all. Now I'm taking y is equal to 20, y is equal to 20, def m2 method of self print child method like this I'm taking. Can you please guide the parent class contain how many variables? Please confirm. Parent class contain how many variables? One variable and one method. Child class contain how many variables and how many methods? Child class contain how many variables and how many methods? Huh? Hey, why you are silent, man? Child class contain two variables and two methods because from the parent automatically these things are available to the child. In addition to that, separate variable is there and a separate method is there. Regarding that is the advantage of inheritance concept. Remember this one. Whatever parent has by default available to the child. That is, now I want to create this line. What is the meaning of this line? Are you in the position to understand? This type of word must be required. What is the meaning of this line? Can you please guide what I'm doing? Yeah. Can you please guide what I'm doing? I'm creating child class for parent. Okay. Means this is the inheritance. I'm creating child class for the P. Okay. Like now, sir, here C is equal to C. Can you please tell at line number 11 what I'm doing? At line number 11, what I'm doing? At line number 11, what I'm doing? Creating an object. Regarding creating an object, C dot M. See here, let me do print C dot X, print C dot Y. Next and after that, C dot M1, C dot M2. I'm doing all the executing all the things right. Okay. Now take a bit very special care about this terminology. 10, 20, parent method, child method, all the things by default are going to come. Now, how to define class? How you can create child class? How you can implement inheritance concept in Python? What are various terminology? I mean, what is the advantage of inheritance? Next, how to create object in the Python? Like it's a very clear. How many classes are available here? In this example, how many classes are available? Two classes. One is the parent and one is the child. But child is the child class, extends parent class. This is the syntax what we are going to do there. Okay. Now take very special care, sir. From this discussion, what I want to do is, can you please observe? Can you please observe? From the Django import forms. From the Django import forms I'm taking. From the Django import forms. Next class login form of forms dot form I'm taking. Okay, I'm taking name is equal to forms dot char field and password is equal to forms dot char field. Okay, like yes, ma'am. Oh, pure Django related terminology I'm using. Okay, don't worry much. From this discussion, can you please guess? Can you please guess what I'm doing? In this line, what is Django? What is Django? And what is module? What is forms? Can you please tell? Django is a package. Forms is a module. Correct or not? Forms is a module. Are you getting that idea right? Django is a package and forms is a module like. Next, in this line, what I'm doing? I'm defining my own class. Our class name is login form. This login form is the child class of forms dot form. So there is one class is there named with the form class present inside forms module. For that forms class, I'm creating login form. So whatever things are available inside the form class automatically available to login form. Okay, just I'm taking two variables, right? Name variable and password variable. Name variable value is char field. So there is one class is there named with the char field inside form. I'm creating an object for that. There is one class is there named with the char field. I'm creating an object. That value will become password value. That value will become name value. अयो थोड़ा समझ आ गया? Yes, man. What is the meaning of this syntaxes? Thoda. Are you able to understand, right? Okay. Char field is a predefined because by using forms we are asking rights from it. By using forms we are asking right. That's why inside the forms char field is a class. Char field is a class. Okay, it's already predefined. I'm creating an object for that class. I'm assigning that object to name variable. Here also I'm creating an object for that. I'm assigning to password variable. Like this, right? Now, so if you can able to understand this knowledge, nothing is there in the Django man. Okay, these type of lines we require to write multiple times, multiple times, right? Now, let me take one more from Django dot db import models. Observe very carefully. From Django.db import models. Class student of models dot model name is equal to models dot char field. Don't get confused. Models dot char field. Max length is equal to some 30. I'm taking, sir. Even it is a bit difficult. I'm using completely. Don't worry. Name and then roll number is equal to models dot integer field. Can you please, how many people can able to understand this terminology, sir? Can you please tell in this what is Django, what is DB, what is the model, sir? Can you please guess from this line? What is Django, what is DB, what is model, sir? Django is a package. Observe very carefully, sir. In that package, DB is a sub package. DB is a sub package, because a package can contain sub packages also. So something like this style. This is the Django. In the DB related, in the there is one module is there. That module name is models. So it is the Django. It is the DB sub package. In that, this is the models.py. Everyone can able to guess. So main package, in that sub package, models is a module name. Vijay, are you getting right? So because I didn't cover package can contain sub packages also. Here this is the example. Okay, well, now I'm writing a class student. This student is the child class of model. This model class present inside models. Are you getting models module? Models module contain model class. For that model class, I'm creating my own child class. Are you getting my own child class? Name is equal to models.char field. This is the argument, sir. Argument. So this char field present inside model, expecting some argument. That's why I'm taking argument at the 30. Don't worry, because constructor argument. You can pass constructor arguments. Next, models.integer field. Make sure this type of syntaxes you people should require to familiar compulsory. Any doubt? Are you in the position to understand, right? Swami, max length is a variable name. Inside a constructor variable name, you are passing 30. 30, 20, 100, like any number you can able to pass. Madharvali, now are you getting the syntactical related things? I hope you are attending offline Django sessions. Yes, now syntactically what the meaning of these words. Now I hope you people can able to understand clearly. Yeah. Clear, right? Model class contain model. Here, 1 minute. Lavanya, how you are calling char field? By using models. Models module name. This module, models module contain char field class. Char field is one class. Inside models. Inside models, model is one class. Inside models, integer field is one class. Integer field is one class. Observe the words. Okay, models is a module name. In that, model is one class, char field is one class, integer field is one class. Next, Vijay, self means in Java we are using this keyword. What is the meaning of this keyword in Java? This is always pointing to current object. Regarding this is always pointing to current object. Okay, that this in Python we can use the word self. Self means current object. Okay, this knowledge. So if you are able to understand what it means, what is the meaning of that, what we are doing, this is syntactical related things, then you can able to understand very easily this Django, sir. Okay, because while learning Django, you should not ask, sir, what we are doing. You should have that knowledge already, sir. Here, what you are doing, you should have already. There we have to talk about what model class contain. You should not ask what is model. Model is a class present inside models module. That knowledge automatically you will have, so that our main concentration will become internal things, not these syntax related things. Syntax wise, you have to very much familiar with that. Clear, friends? That's all. So now, if you observe that, if you observe any applications, sir, here forms.py is there. Have you observed? Now everything you can able to understand, right? Can you please confirm from Django import forms, class login form, forms.form, name is equal to forms.char field. Ayo, it is the original application related information, man. It is the original file I am showing. My application file I am showing. Django application file I am showing. Models.py. So from django.db import, but I didn't write any models. I didn't write any models. There is one project is there. Let me take some DJ project. Some DJ project. Inside that DJ project, test yeah, models.py. Can you please observe that? Can you please have a look once? From django.db import models, class, Hyderabad jobs, models.model. Now date, company, title, eligibility, and so on. Any doubt? Are you in the position to understand what we are doing syntactically? Forget about internal, what is the meaning and so on. That is in Django we will discuss. Okay, like a syntactical familiarity must be required. Okay, please make sure, sir. Okay, now in the next session we will talk just one more thing related to database. Okay, so with that this Django related, yes, what we call Python basics will be completed.